Ayun. Kumunik. Ay, kumunik siya. Grabe. Parang live chat. Nangyayari. Ay, naku, walang live chat. Ay, grabe siya. Walang live chat dito. Walang live chat. Ay, paano ba ito? Wala kasi yung live chat. Nawala ang kanyang live chat. Automatic sa ano yun. Ayun, ganun pala. Para lumabas ang kanyang live chat. Ito is Monday. Ayun. Ganyan pala. Grabe siya. O, diba? At kanina ayaw. Ayan, shout out po. Rosel May Crescia. Tayo po ay nagte-testing. Tinetest ko po ang ating Streamlabs kung gumagana. Kasi kanina ayaw gumana. Kaya hindi ko tinuloy kanina. Kasi ayaw gumana. Salamat at napadalaw, Rosel May Crescia. Testing lang. Nag-aaralan natin tong Streamlabs OBS. Ang gamit kasi natin talaga ay StreamYard. Ginagamit naman natin to dati. Kaso pang music lang. Kaya ayun, kanina sinubukan natin. Pero hindi gumana. Ngayon, gumana na. Ayan. Salamat, Rosel May. Like na rin, Rosel May Crescia. Mega shout out to you. Ayan, subukan natin kung maririnig ang ating music. Pa-music na tayo. Subukan natin magpa-music kung gagana.
Wait another day until I call you. You only got my heart on the string, and everything's a matter. But another lonely night might take forever. We've only got each other to blame. It's all the same to me. 'Cause I know that I feel to be right. No more lonely nights. No more lonely nights. You're my guiding light. Any or night, I'm always there. May I never miss the thrill of being near you.
Tapos ang susunod.
And if it takes a couple of years to turn the tears to love, I will do what I feel to be right. No more lonely night, never be another. No more lonely night. You're my guiding light. Any or night, I'm always there. And I won't go away until you tell me so. No, I never go away. And I won't go away until you tell me so. No, I never go away.
11 minutes na.